Through my journey of starting GWS Living Art, the childhood that I had, I think it really sparked some form of inner passion and interest in building stuff. At the start, it was very hard when you are a young boy, you don't even have a beard. I tried wearing specs, although I have perfect eyesight, just to look a bit older. Back then, I have a baby face. As a young kid, I was super intense and no one wanted to work with me because I was just too crazy. There was this point that I wanted to give up and close GWS Living Art. So I think my dad is, of course, one of my biggest heroes in my life and is my personal mentor. I'm a third generation farmer and all his teachings from a young boy where I caught as child abuse actually comes back. I think it's important to work with people that believe in your vision, believe in your dreams, believe that you are a good person and you really want to do something good for the society.
For this plant, I don't know, like 90% of the plants here.